Hi class, welcome to Math Minutes video number 19. In this lesson, we're going to look at how do I check an answer? How do I know if I've got it right? So in this lesson, we're looking at substituting. So go ahead and get your notebooks out and turn to page 26. To check to see if your answer is correct, you will substitute your answer back into the original equation. If the equation computes correctly, then you have found the right answer. In our first example, we had the equation x plus 3 equals 4, and we solved for x and got the answer x equals 1. Let's substitute the value of 1 back into the equation by replacing x with it. So if our first equation was x plus 3 equals 4, well, instead of x, we solved it to equal 1, so let's put 1 in its place. So instead of x, we have 1. 1 plus 3 equals 4. 1 plus 3 equals 4 is true. Then we have confirmed that x does equal 1. We have the right answer. So let's do some checking by substituting numbers, values for x, into the equation to see if it's true or false. So what we have here is the equation 7 plus x equals 15, and let's say we've already done this problem and we got x to equal 8. Is this the right answer? What are we going to do? Well, let's substitute 8 in place of x. 7 plus 8 equals 15. Is that true? Yes. We solved it correctly. Let's check the next one. X minus 5 equals 7 plus 3, and let's see if x does equal 15. So let's have a little space over here. Let's write it out. X minus 5 equals 7 plus 3. Well, we think x is 15. Let's find out if it truly is. So instead of x, I'm going to write 15. 15 minus 5 equals 7 plus 3. 15 minus 5 is 10. And 7 plus 3 is 10. Therefore, yes, that one is also true. Let's take a look at this next one here. 4x minus 1 equals 11. And now we've decided, well, whoever did this problem, maybe it was us, maybe it was someone else. Let's see if it's right. Does x equal 2? Was this problem done correctly? Let's substitute 2 back into x, and let's rewrite it over here. 4 times, instead of x, we're going to say that it's 2, minus 1 equals 11. 4 times 2 is 8, so 8 minus 1 equals 11. 8 minus 1 is 7. 7 does not equal 11. Therefore, x cannot equal 2 in this equation. It's incorrect. We've checked it, we've substituted, and it does not come out to be true. This one is false. Let's check the next one by substituting. Now this time, at a glance, you're like, oh my gosh, this looks like a really complicated problem. It's not. Let's just look at these steps together. 2x plus 2 equals 3y. Uh-oh, we've got two variables, but that's okay because somebody did this problem and they've decided that x equals 8 and y equals 6. What do you think we're going to do? We're simply going to substitute both of those values in and see if it comes out right. So 2x is the same as saying 2 times 8. So let's substitute that in. Plus 2. Does that equal 3 times y? And in this case, y is 6. And let's see if this is true. 2 times 8 is 16 plus 2. 3 times 6 is 18. 16 plus 2 is 18 equals 18. Is that true? Absolutely right. So that one is true. And let's look at our last one together. X minus 6 equals 2y. Well, let's substitute. Our x is 16, so we're going to put that there. Our y is 5. We're going to put that there. So we end up with 16 minus 6 equals 2 times 5. Is this true? 16 minus 6 is 10. 2 times 5 is 10. Therefore, yes, these are true. So now you know how to check any problem that you've done. Is it right? Substitute it back in, do the math, and check yourself. Thanks for your hard work on learning how to check problems. I will see you in class. Bring your notebooks.